Hey guys, welcome back to Sophie's World. This is my life. So we just finished giving the birds a bath, and now they're having their little treat. And guys, I tried to put them in the blanket, right? And I'm telling you, they're ready to be on my shoulder and eating. So I'm gonna show you Mr. Pepper. So they're in Jeremiah's and eating. Guys, we love our birds so much. We love our birds. Oh, they mean so much to us, and we're just enjoying them.
This morning, they don't feel.
Joel, don't go higher. You see that they thinking the food is a lemon. So cute. Hello. Hello. You enjoying your treat? Huh? Oh, precious. Oh, look at our birds.
Mommy, so bit me.
Yeah. You love your birds, right?
Yes.
Oh. Hey, Mr. Pepper. Are you having fun, huh? You having fun? This little one here, Miss Cloud, is all over me. Miss Cloud. Miss Cloud. Hello, Miss Cloud. How is your day going? Are you having fun up there, huh? You having fun up there?
Yeah,
You don't want to be in your blanket?
Feed it to him. He'll eat
Huh?
it.
That's where you want to be? So the bird pooped on me. So I'm telling my children that, you know, back in Jamaica, whenever birds poo on you, it means that you're getting some dinero, some money. So I'm looking for some money today to the end of the week. Guys, I'll let you all know, trust me, honestly. Don't mind my hair, guys. I'm home, and you know, I'm a simple person. Oh, look at my baby. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart. Hey, sweetheart. Oh wow, I love the way they sound when they're eating. ASMR. Oh my god. Aww. Mommy?
Ow!
Mommy? Bring me a strawberry from the fridge, please.
See if he's gonna eat it.
Mm-hmm.
He'll eat anything.
Oh, so cute. I love their tail. Look at that. I can see a little bit of Jamaican in you. A little bit of Jamaican in you, Mr. Pepper. You're so pretty, so beautiful. What Miss Cloud over here doing, huh?
Mommy, it looks like the bird's tongue are dry.
Really?
It's not dry, it's really wet.
Jerry, you not giving Miss Cloud any? She's eating?
No.
Okay, that's alright. That's okay. Ooh. Hey, beautiful.
I'm letting green pepper eat a
Eat the strawberry, baby.
Maybe I should take a piece.
Mommy, bring me a knife so I can cut it. Maybe that will help a bit.
green pepper ate a seed and he put it in his throat.
Don't force, don't force. They're all over me. On my hands.
Mommy, they think it's a playground?
Maybe. You think I'm a playground? Huh? You think mommy's a playground? Huh? Hey, beautiful.
No, feed him this.
Hey, beautiful.
He'll eat it.
Hey, sweetheart.
Mommy,
Wow, they're now dry. Look at them. Well, not 100%, but
Joe, give it to green pepper.
maybe like
She
90,
won't eat it.
95.
She'll only eat this. Joe, look, she'll only eat this. Oh.
Pepper pick you, Papa?
Mm-hmm.
You peck you?
Maybe he's not hungry anymore. He was eating me and it hurt.
Aww.
Here. Give it to him. He's gonna. It fell. Oh. Both of them. And pepper with these seeds.
Look at look at green pepper's tail. So beautiful. Look at that.
Only both of them ate it.
See, they belong to this family. Look at the color. Huh? Look at the colors. Yeah,
Mommy,
they belong to us.
Mommy, Club is doing this.
Yeah, I made you special. Yeah, I made you special for this. No others just like you. Special you are.
Oh, they eat
Yeah, I made you.
pieces.
He made you special.
No, give it only to green pepper.
Yeah, I made you.
Look. Feed him.
You want to look at yourself in the mirror?
German, you
Go
don't
ahead.
know what's in my. Looking at this.
Go
You
ahead.
don't know what's in my.
Go
hand.
ahead, sweetheart.
It's seeds. No. It's seeds. Here. Here.
Oh my God.
Mommy, they can
Did Cloudy just poo on me? I cannot believe Cloudy just did
Mommy,
that.
they can see the seeds in the mirror.
I know.
God's looking at me. Mommy, the birds put so much seeds on your shoulder.
That's okay.
Because they were eating it? Hmm? What if they climbed on your head?
That's okay.
I can make them climb on my head. This is a song. Do you need some more seeds? Yes. Only one. Not so much. Only one.
Don't force.
Come on, let me eat green pepper. Ow, ow, ow.
What you doing way down there, Pepper? Hmm?
Mommy, it feels weird, very weird.
Not really.
Mommy, they feel warm up from that bag.
They feel nice and clean.
And they feel nice and warm.
Mm-hmm.
The brown ninja.
Joel.
I never knew the brown ninja's power was dirt. I thought his power was wind. Because Sensei said he controls the wind.
That's not true. Yeah, control the wind.
Green pepper!
They are all over me. So loud. Look at those beautiful beautiful tail. You keep on pulling on me, all over me.
Look at green pepper.
Don't go too high, Joel, please. We're gonna have lots more birdies. Oh, look at them. They're courting, guys.
Mommy's
Oh. So you guys plan on getting married, huh?
tablet alone.
Oh, look at them.
Mommy, after they're gonna turn into big parrots.
No, they're gonna still be
stay like that?
budgies, yeah. But they're gonna have more babies. And they're gonna have more babies.
Mommy, are their eggs small or big?
Really small. You're gonna see. Look at them. My babies are getting dried.
Mommy, remember we saw a baby robin?
Mm-hmm.
It was dead.
They are courting.
It must have fallen from a tree. I found the black and white egg and there was nothing in it but oil. It was a small egg. Jerry, you remember we saw a blue egg and they're drying up. They're drying up?
Yeah, we had a nice bath. We had a nice bath, guys.
Really dry now.
And see? Oh my God. What are you picking from my ear?
Who put the strawberry?
Look at them.
I did.
Whoa, why?
Because Mommy told me to.
Did mommy told you to flush?
Look at them. Oh, we're gonna have some babies soon, guys. Look at them courting out. How you making out, huh? You have no respect in front of mommy. Look at what you all doing.
Mommy, last time when green pepper was on the bridge when I was looking.
Oh, look at that.
Mommy, when green pepper was on the bridge when I was looking, Cloud just came and pushed off green pepper.
Hmm.
Yes.
Oh, they're grooming each other as well. Oh, look at that. Taking care of each other. That's so nice. Yeah, look at that. I'm so proud of you guys. Guys, look at them. They are something to really watch, you know. Oh. Well, Pepper, you're doing a good cleaning. Oh, precious. Oh. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, our Yah has made them all. He gave us eyes to see them and lips that we might tell. All great is Yah Almighty, who has made all things well. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, oh Yah has made them all. Hey, beautiful.
Mommy, I know.
Hey, beautiful.
Mommy, I know what great means.
What it means?
It means an animal's bigger.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Great.
Oh, guys, I enjoy spending time with them, honestly, and you know that they're getting used to us, feeling more comfortable around us. Oh my God, we don't want to put them down. You see how long they've been on my shoulder?
They love it.
They're getting used to mommy. They know who care for them, right? They know that mommy bring them food and buy them treats and, you know, give them water. Yeah, I'm taking all the praise. We all take care of them, honestly. Right? We love our little pets. Oh, I can't get enough of you both. So cute. Oh. Can't get enough. Oh, Cloudy's yawning. You yawn, baby?
Mommy, they're gonna have babies on you?
No, not on me.
In
But
the cage?
yeah. They're gonna have babies.
And they're gonna feed their babies
Uh-huh.
with seeds?
Bird feed, uh-huh.
Mommy, their babies are gonna be born with no feathers
I know.
and with skin covering their eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, they stay in the egg like a ball.
I know. You like when mommy sing to you? You want mommy to sing to you some more? All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, for Yah has made them all. He gave us eyes to see them, and lips that we might tell how great is Yah Almighty, who has made all things well. Hey, beautiful. I admire you. You're so beautiful. I hope you had a nice little bath today. Yeah. I love you guys. I love you so much.
Me too.
I know you do, Jerry. They don't want to leave mommy. What are you chit-chatting about? I see your little beak going up and down, huh? Look at that. These are lovers, I tell you. Mm-hmm. So, I think it's time for you both to go back in your cage. You know, mommy is so busy. Yeah, mommy is busy. Mommy have some stuff to do. Mommy gonna do some laundry. Yeah.
You love doing laundry?
I love doing laundry. Hello, precious. Look at them guys. Oh, hello. Hello, sweets. Hello, sweets.
Mommy, they're gonna keep their babies warm?
Yeah, they're gonna keep their babies warm.
It'd be a blue budgie.
That would be so pretty.
Mommy, you really want a blue budgie?
Not really.
Mommy, I saw a blue budgie.
I know.
It was white, blue,
And a little
gray,
black.
black, and that's it.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful birds. Mr. Jealous. He's jealous. What your face are eating now? So loud when mommy's here. Huh? And Pepper? Bobo. What you chew, sir? What you chewing? Oh. You chewing nuts? Ew, babe. That's nasty. My hubby is jealous of me and the birdies. Baby, they're courting a lot. Seems like we're gonna have a little wedding soon. Huh? Yeah, I did all of that. Yeah. I know. Yeah. You get too much trouble, baby. Later. Love you. Bye-bye. Hubby is so jealous of the birdies on me right now. Mama is a busy mama. Mama gonna get some work done. I had so much fun with you both. Love my birds. We love our birds. Okay, mommy rocking you both to sleep. Rock my birdies on the treetop. When mommy shoulder rocks, birdie go to sleep. Na 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 na. Really? You guys are making love? Huh? They are lovers, I'm telling you. Na 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 So Cloudy and Pepper, it's time for you to go back in your cage.
Just sad about that.
Oh, don't be sad. I am sad. Open the thing, Mama. Come, go. Go in your cage. Go in your cage. I know you're happy. Oh, look at that. Where's the white one?
Cloud's not even paying.
Cloud. Cloud. Come on, it's your turn. Cloud. It's time for you to go back in your cage. Come on. Mama's got work. And she is going in. Oh, so they're both back in their cage, guys. Oh. Love you guys. We had such a nice time with you both. Say thank you guys for watching. We hope that you had so much fun. We had so much fun with you all. Right? So remember to subscribe, hit the bell to turn the notification on so that you'll see more videos of me and Cloudy. So from Cloudy and Green Pepper, we will see you in our next video. Bye.